Hello students, good morning. We have been seeing the various separation techniques now. In the last video, we saw about the simple distillation. And the condition for simple distillation is the liquids in the mixture should be differ by 25 Kelvin in their boiling point. But this technique, this fractional distillation, is mainly used for the liquids which do not differ in their boiling point much. Okay, the mixture of liquids, they do not differ much in their boiling points. They may have at least almost same boiling points, which means we have to maintain the temperature by using thermometer. Temperature path you have to maintain the temperature, and then this process should be carried out, and it is called as fractional distillation. So that we are going to see now, fractional distillation. And this technique is mainly used to separate two or more miscible liquids. Miscible means we know they'll be homogeneous, they can be completely mixed throughout. Such kind of solutions are called as miscible liquids, and those liquids do not differ much in their boiling points. They should have almost the same value of boiling points. For such kind of liquids, what technique is used? Fractional distillation process is used. The remaining process, everything is same as that of the simple distillation. The round bottom flask, the condenser, cooling by water, everything is the same, but only the liquids used for the separation, they will be having almost the same value of boiling points. Okay, and this technique is mainly used in petrochemical industries to separate the components of the petroleum, and also to separate the different gases from air, and to distill alcohols. So these are the applications of fractional distillation, and this is the picture showing the process of fractional distillation. Any doubts, students? Probably there will be no doubt, I think, because the processing, everything same as that of the simple distillation, only the temperature we have to maintain. Okay, okay, thank you.